Hey Akku, I was thrilled about our relationship and marriage, which I thought was the best decision of my life. But now we are apart. Is this how a happy life works? I really don't know because I don't have any experience in marriage. We used to spend a lot of time together, but now you don't talk to me, listen to me, or even look at me with love or a smile. I dressed up for you, cooked for you, and tried to make our life happier. But you didn't even notice that. I know your work is so stressful and you're very much busy. We had great memories and they should be cherished forever. Bye, Akku.